Life is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take, every decision you make, shapes the path ahead. It's a continuous adventure filled with twists and turns, highs and lows. But to reach your desired destination, you need a clear vision. This vision acts as your roadmap, guiding you through the complexities of life. Imagine your ideal future. What do you see? A successful career, a loving family, financial freedom. Each of these dreams is a milestone on your journey. Visualize these aspirations with absolute clarity. Picture every detail, every emotion, and every achievement as if it were already real. Feel the emotions, embrace the possibilities. Let the joy and determination fill your heart and mind. This vision, this burning desire is your internal compass. It points you in the right direction, even when the path seems unclear. It guides your decisions and fuels your actions. Every choice you make, every step you take, is aligned with your ultimate goals. Without a vision, you become adrift in a sea of uncertainty. You wander through life without a clear direction, feeling lost and unfulfilled. You lack direction, purpose, and the motivation to overcome obstacles. Challenges seem insurmountable, and progress feels impossible. With a clear vision, you unlock the power within you. You gain the confidence to face challenges head-on and the determination to achieve your dreams. Take the first step today. Define your vision. Write it down. Review it daily. Let it be a constant reminder of what you are working towards. Let it be your guiding light on the path to prosperity. With a clear vision, the future is yours to create. A vision without goals is like a car without wheels. It might look good on paper, but it won't take you anywhere. Just as a car needs wheels to move forward, your vision needs goals to gain momentum and direction. You can dream about the open road, but you won't get very far without a clear plan. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast desert with no map or compass. The journey seems impossible, right? That's what it's like to have a vision without goals. Goals are the actionable steps that transform your vision into reality. They are the milestones that guide you along the way, ensuring you stay on track and make consistent progress. Without them, your vision remains just a distant dream. Start by setting SMART goals. They should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures that your goals are clear and attainable, providing a solid foundation for your journey. For example, instead of vaguely aiming to save money, set a goal to save $5,000 for a down payment on a new car within 2 years. This gives you a clear target and a timeline to work towards. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach makes the process less overwhelming and allows you to focus on one step at a time. Each small task completed brings you closer to your ultimate goal. This makes the journey less daunting and provides a sense of accomplishment along the way. Celebrate each milestone reached. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reinforces the belief that you can achieve your vision. Remember, goal setting is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that evolves as you grow and change. Regularly revisit your goals to ensure they still align with your vision and make adjustments as needed. It's a dynamic process that requires constant evaluation and adjustment. Life is unpredictable, and your goals should be flexible enough to adapt to new circumstances and opportunities. As you grow and evolve, so too should your goals. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your vision, and let your goals be the roadmap that guides you to success. The greatest investment you can make is in yourself. Personal development is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about continuously improving your skills, knowledge, and mindset. Read books, attend seminars, and learn from mentors. Identify your strengths and weaknesses and work on both. Challenge your limiting beliefs and embrace a growth mindset. Develop strong communication and interpersonal skills. Master your emotions and cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. Remember, success is an inside job. When you invest in your personal growth, you unlock your full potential and create a life of abundance. Section 4, Money Mastery, Building a Solid Financial Foundation. Financial prosperity starts with mastering your finances. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and how you make it work for you. Create a budget and track your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Make saving a habit, even if it's a small amount each month. Explore different investment options. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk. Consider real estate, stocks, bonds, and other assets. Seek professional financial advice when needed. A financial advisor can help you develop a personalized plan tailored to your specific goals. Section 5. Charting your course. Technical analysis for informed decisions. Investing can seem daunting, but knowledge is power. Technical analysis provides tools and techniques to analyze market trends and make informed investment decisions. Learn about candlestick charts, moving averages, and other indicators. These tools help you identify potential buying and selling opportunities. Understand that technical analysis is not foolproof. It's just one piece of the puzzle. Combine it with fundamental analysis, which involves evaluating a company's financial health. Remember, investing involves risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your research. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain experience. Section 6. Thrive in change. Embrace lifelong learning and adaptability. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. To thrive in this dynamic environment, you must embrace lifelong learning and adaptability. Continuously seek new knowledge and skills. Stay updated on industry trends and technological advancements. Be open to new ideas and perspectives. Develop a growth mindset that views challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. Remember, the only constant is change. By embracing lifelong learning and adaptability, you position yourself for success in any environment. Section 7. Your journey to prosperity. A future of abundance awaits. Achieving prosperity is a journey, not a sprint. It's a marathon that requires endurance, patience, and a strategic approach. Just like a runner trains for a race, you must prepare yourself for the long haul. It requires a clear vision, smart goals, personal development, financial mastery, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Writing down your goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible and a willingness to adapt. Life is full of unexpected turns, and being flexible allows you to navigate through challenges and seize new opportunities. Start by visualizing your ideal future. Picture it vividly in your mind and let that vision guide your actions and decisions. A clear vision acts as a compass, keeping you on the right path. Set achievable goals and break them down into smaller steps. Each small step brings you closer to your ultimate objective, making the journey manageable and less overwhelming. Invest in your personal growth and develop a strong financial foundation. Seek knowledge from books, mentors, and advisors who can provide valuable insights and guidance. Utilize tools like technical analysis to make informed investment decisions. Understanding market trends and data can help you maximize your financial potential. Embrace lifelong learning and adapt to the ever-changing world around you. The pursuit of knowledge keeps you ahead of the curve and opens doors to new possibilities. Remember, the power to create a prosperous future lies within you. Confidence and determination are your greatest allies on this journey. Take action today and embark on your journey to a life of abundance. Every step you take brings you closer to the future you've always dreamed of.